everybody, we are here with our Daniel fast and we are making some vegan corn muffins. So it seems like this is going to be a pretty easy recipe, so just bear with me here as we work on this together. This is like a great snack, or if you're just, you know, we've been fighting the stomach bug, so I feel like this might be a good quick meal idea as well. For those days when you're not really that hungry, but you just need a little something to get you through. So we're going to go ahead and do these corn muffins. I am using Pampered Chef products, so if you guys are interested in any of the products, please let me know. Would love to send you the link as well. So we got some cornmeal here. So we're going to do 1.5 cups. I'm not a big fan of corn muffins in general, but we'll see how these taste. Maybe they'll taste a little bit different. This cornmeal is very fine, which is nice. So I think part of it to me is sometimes corn muffins can be grainy. So I think it really is all about the texture for corn muffins. Whoop. A little too much, that's alright. We'll use it. Alright. And then we're going to go ahead and do 1/2 cup of milk. So because this is a vegan recipe, we are using an unsweetened almond milk. You can use rice milk as well. So we are doing 1/2 cup. What's nice about this measuring cup is that it has all of the measurements that you need. Cups, ounces, milliliters for dry and solids, or dry and liquids. I'm going to pour that in there. Might do a little bit more since there was a little bit more cornmeal that we poured in there. There we go. It's a little runny, we know why. Alright, 1/4 cup water, so we're going to go here. Oh, I think that might be too much. Oh, just a tad. Whenever, if you're going to save dishes by using the same measurement cup, which I highly recommend, you always want to try and make sure you do water last. That way it kind of rinses out the other ingredients. Whereas if you would do water then milk, how much water do we need again? 1/4 cup. I am like really off today. I don't know what's going on. Normally my measurements are... Alright, that should be good. You're going to lose, so it's extra. That. Alright, and then we're going to do our olive oil. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon. So this is my handy dandy oil and vinegar dispenser from Pampered Chef. It has the measuring things right here on the side, if you can see that. So 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. I just filled it up. There you go. So you gotta prime it a little bit. Priming just means that you basically have to get all that excess air out and prepare the way for it to happen. So we want 1 tablespoon, which is about 3 teaspoons. So you're right about there. You can use this for oil, vinegar, water. It's my oil, salad dressings, like the thin ones. Alright, we're going to go ahead and give this a stir. And get this all nice and mixed up. Let me know if you like to put anything inside of your corn muffins. Some people like to put like jalapeno peppers in, cheese, and there's so many other things you could put into some corn muffins. Alright, so we're good. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and add in 3/4 cup frozen corn. So we're going to switch this back over to our dry. You can see how this can save your dishes, guys. Right? What did we say, 3/4? Yep, so 3/4 cup. Perfect. These are frozen too. You could use fresh if you have it. Actually, I think I do have some canned corn in there, but and then we're gonna go ahead and chop up some green onions as well and put those in there. Yeah, so comment on this video what you like to put in your corn muffins. I would love to hear your different ideas. Or just you're gonna use like the green part. We only need 1/4